shiny red apple or a big red heart that makes us happy and giggle. Orange is the color of a juicy mango, sweet and round, oh how it glows. Yellow is the sun up in the sky, or a banana we peel before we try. Green is the color of the leaves on a tree, or a froggy who jumps and says ribbit with glee. Blue